Third-party sports data can now be added into your videos using the Insta360 app. This feature is now available with all Insta360 cameras. The Insta360 app currently supports exercise data from Garmin and Apple Health. To record exercise data, connect the camera to the Insta360 app. The app will automatically calibrate the in-camera timecode to ensure sports data accuracy. Recording and adding data with Garmin devices. Before shooting, start recording data with your Garmin device. After shooting, save the data on your Garmin device. Open the Garmin app and synchronize the data to your mobile device. Open the Insta360 app. Navigate to the album page, open the footage, and tap Stats in the menu bar. Select Garmin Connect as the data source. Log into your Garmin account and agree to authorize your sports data to the Insta360 app. Once synchronization is complete, the dashboard will display the data recorded by your Garmin device. You can then customize and move the dashboard display. Recording and adding data with Apple Health. Before shooting, use your Apple Watch to start recording data. Apple Watch will automatically synchronize data with Apple Health. Open the Insta360 app. Navigate to the album page, open the footage, and tap Stats in the menu bar. Select Apple Health as the data source. Agree to authorize your sports data for the Insta360 app. Once synchronization is complete, the dashboard will display the data recorded by your Apple Watch. You can then adjust and customize the dashboard display. Once you're done editing, export with the information displayed.